Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video. After a very long time, we are going to do smartphone giveaway and I'm going to give away two of these Nokia 2.3 on the channel. In order to enter into this giveaway, it's very easy. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter and comment down anything that you like about the Nokia 2.3 or anything about this video. Basically, I'll choose two winners from the comment section box below. So let's keep these two devices to the side because we are going to give this away, and let's talk about this device. This is going to be a rough overview of the Nokia 2.3 as well. First of all, the device is priced at 7,000 rupees, and two most important things about this device. First of all, the device comes with 1 year replacement guarantee. I mean, the device will be replaced if something happens to it. Second one, the device comes with guaranteed up to 3 years of software update. Currently, the device is based on Android 9 Pie out of the box, but it will get Android 10 update in the future, and in coming years, it will also get the Android 11 update. And Nokia has been very good with the software updates with their other devices, so I don't think you need to worry about that. Let's get started with the unboxing. After opening the box, you will get the Nokia 2.3, and let's just start it for now. After the device, you will get a SIM ejector tool in the box. We also have some normal regular manuals which you can read if this is your first Android phone. I'm sure Nokia 2.3 will be the first Android smartphone for few people. You also get a charger inside the box with a micro USB cable, as the device comes with micro USB port and not a USB type C port. When it comes to the charger is rated at 5 watts only, 5 volt and 1 ampere. So the charging is going to be, little bit on the lower side, but again, considering the price tag of 7,000 rupees and Nokia branding as such, I think we should be fine. Let's look at the device itself. So the device is made out of plastic. The plastic back panel has some lines, and if I do like this, it will make this noise if you know how it gets created. We get a dual camera setup at the back side. That's a 13 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel secondary camera. We also get a 5 megapixel front camera, and these are some of the sample shots clicked with the Nokia 2.3. We get 6.2 inch LCD panel in the front, which is good enough. It becomes sufficiently bright. Outdoor visibility should be good. At the price tag of 7,000 rupees, the display panel looks pretty good. Even the viewing angles are decent in my opinion. Now, when it comes to the processor, the device comes with Helio A22 processor. And considering the competition of Realme C3, Redmi 8, which are offering Snapdragon 439 processor or sometimes Helio G70 processor at little bit higher price tag, A22 obviously falls little bit behind as compared to the competition. But if you are looking for a Nokia device itself, then A22 will be more than enough for basic day-to-day life tasks such as calling or opening Facebook or chatting on WhatsApp. Gaming and heavy multitasking will be very difficult with the Helio A22 processor, as well as the 2GB RAM that it comes with. The device comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Nokia was like 2GB RAM denge, but 16GB nahi denge, 32GB internal storage denge. So the device comes with 32GB of internal storage, which is a good thing at the price tag of 7,000 rupees. And the device does not come with any type of fingerprint sensor, which is normal at the price tag of 7,000 rupees. But the device does come with a face unlock feature. Let me just show it to you. I look at the device. Wait, let me remove my glasses. I look at the device, and the device gets unlocked now. I'll just do it once again. I'll reduce the brightness so that you guys can see it properly. The device is locked. I'll press the lock button. I'll look at it. The device gets unlocked now. The device got unlocked now. So the face unlock feature is not very fast, as you saw. Obviously Redmi 8A or even the Realme C3 will perform faster when it comes to face unlock feature as compared to this device. Talking about some other features, the device comes with a button, a dedicated button just to trigger Google Assistant. If I press this button, Google Assistant on the device will be triggered. As you can see, long press the button. I'll long press it once again and it will trigger Google. Open Dhananjay Bhosale YouTube channel. Okay, so it is showing my YouTube channel. If I click over here, it will open the YouTube application and it should show my YouTube channel anytime now. Yeah, there you go. That's my YouTube channel over there. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Press the bell icon as well so that you will get notified next time we upload a video like this one. And I guess that's pretty much it for all the things that Nokia 2.3 has to offer. This was a very short video. If you have any doubts, suggestions or queries regarding Nokia 2.3, do let us know about that in the comment section box below, or you can tweet it to me at @Dhananjay_tech. I'll mention the rules to enter into the giveaway once again. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Both the links will be present in the description box below, and comment down below on this video anything that you like about 2.3 or anything that you want to talk about, and you are entered. I'll choose 2 winners from the comment section box down below on 7th March. So do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, because I'll be uploading the winners over there. And I guess that's it. Subscribe, like, share, comment, everything, the regular stuff. This is it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.